Calcium, an essential mineral for health. Calcium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining various bodily functions, most notably strong bones and teeth. It is the most abundant mineral in the human body, with 99% stored in our bones and teeth. Let's see how important it is, as calcium is one of vital micronutrients in a human body. Insufficient calcium in the body, which leads to suffering from more than 50 diseases. Functions of calcium are to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Muscles function like contraction and relaxation, including the heartbeat. Calcium helps nerve transmission of messages from brain to whole body. Calcium plays a role in blood clotting, aiding in wound healing. Calcium assists in the release of hormones and enzymes, which are vital for various bodily functions. Calcium deficiency and its adverse effect is known as hypocalcemia. A lack of sufficient calcium can lead to various health problems, such as osteoporosis, makes weak and brittle in bones. Osteopenia, which reduced bone density. Rickets disease in children that causes soft and weak bones. Muscle cramps and spasms, dental problems, fatigue, weakness, numbness or tingling are all signs of calcium deficiency. Let's see the best source of calcium is dairy, best absorbed source, milk, ghee, cheese, yogurt, buttermilk and many more. If lactose intolerance is a common digestive condition where the body has difficulty digesting lactose, a sugar found in milk and dairy products, which leads to indigestion, bloating, diarrhea, gas, abdominal pain, cramps, then check for the other calcium source. Let's see one of the best sources of calcium through plant-based. Ragi, finger millet. Known as one of the superfoods, we can have ragi in the form of roti or soups. Sesame seeds, til, widely used in curries, sweets, powder form. Almonds, soak overnight and have it in the morning. It will multiply the benefits by 2x. Chia seeds used in juices and soups. Tofu used in many cuisines. Soybeans and soy milk, calcium fortified, soy chunks as curries, of fried stir fry. Leafy green and fenugreek, methi, leaves juice as best, or curries and soups. Moringa leaves, very high in calcium. Please check my preview video on moringa and its complete and detailed benefits. The best way to intake is with curd and tuna. Calcium, just add 1 gram of calcium in curd, as curd contains fats which help to break down the calcium and it gets absorbed quickly. It can be even consumed with betel leaf, chunna, fennel seed or saunf, ghee, misri or jaggery, which makes sweet pan. Eating this after a meal. In India the elderly people know the benefits, so still they have a habit of taking sweet pan daily after their meals. Or simple water and tuna, 1 gram, or even we can mix in curries. For best results 3 times a week. Bonus tip: calcium is very essential for all, especially for pregnant women and lactating mothers. By intake of calcium reduces the abnormalities in the child and helps to give birth to a healthy child and as well as mother's health. People who are suffering from stones and urinary infections should not intake calcium. They should only depend upon plant-based calcium, and that should be taken in lesser proportions. Avoid intake of carbonated drink, too much caffeine, high salt intake, excess alcohol, smoking. Thank you for watching my channel Natural or Holistic Health Vibes. Please view a like, share and subscribe my channel and give your valuable feedback.